Patreon.com/ShadesandTrades if you want to join the private Discord for trade alerts. Cool, thanks man. I made over 50%. I'm really excited. Advice on when to buy and sell makes the difference of thousands of dollars. So again, Patreon.com/ShadesandTrades for trade alerts. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Someone asked me, how long is the bull market gonna last? Are we at a top? Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how to identify whether we're still early or nearing a top on the markets. So the first step is to go straight to SPY, SPY. Then you want to head over to the monthly time frame. Head on over there, and then you take your arrow tools and point to where the bottom previously happened before the next big run, right? So we tanked here. There's a big bottom right there. Bottom here before the big run. Bottom here before the big run. Here's the bottom yet again, right? Notice how every bottom is followed by a big green candle, big fat juicy green candle. Okay, and then I want you to count how many candles did we go up on the monthly time frame after that bottom. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then we finally started tanking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we started tanking. And right now we've only had one green candle, and this other green candle, the second one, well, my friend, it's still May 11th. So I don't know, is it just me or we're just getting started here, right? We had 7 to 11 months of upside, green candles from bottom. And right now, from bottom, we've only had 2 green candles so far, 2 green months. So this bull market, it can last 7 to 11 months. 11 months would be ideal. That would be fantastic. But with midterms, yeah, who knows what's going to happen. They're usually around midterms. Stocks go sideways because who knows, I mean, depending on who wins, it can influence, politics and a bunch of other shit. So it'll influence the markets, unfortunately. So, guys, is it just me or are we early still? We're just getting started here. Even if the bull market only lasts 5 months, we still got 3 more months of this then. 3 more months of what? Just going up, right? It's a bull run. Don't forget that. I know some of you are scarred from stocks tanking over and over again, but this is the opposite, right? You went through the pain of us tanking. Now you get all the gain, right? Best time to join the Discord is right now. Please don't be like those dummies that joined the Discord at the end of the bull market. Like a bunch of people joined, and I'm like, you're joining when you don't get to see my best work. What the hell is wrong with these people? I don't know. I have a feeling that the reason people join towards the end of the bull market is because they don't know any better. Like they're panicking because everything's going down and they don't understand. So they're like, oh, let me go sign up to this guy because he seems to know what he's talking about, which I do know, right? But they don't know any better, so they just treat me like some kind of genie in a lamp. I'm just Aladdin just coming out. Yes, it will go up. Yeah, it'll go up eventually, but... So I don't know. Maybe I'm telling people to join who already are smart enough not to not to buy the top. Anyways, that is it for this video. It's that simple, guys, right? People keep thinking we're gonna keep tanking. This is just the start of another leg down to the abyss. That's stupid. Anyone saying that is absolutely dumb, does not know what they're talking about, and you should probably, if they're a YouTuber, get them out of your life at that point. Go watch someone like me who actually knows what the hell they're talking about and probably actually looks at the higher time frames. That's it for the video. I will see you in the next one. He broke something. I don't. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day. Take care, guys.